Have you ever wondered why your waakye never tastes like Haji's waakye? Well, this is why. Hey love, welcome to my YouTube channel Vamidanu. My name is Eriram, and on today's menu we are cooking correct, authentic Ghanaian waakye. This particular waakye is very flavorful and absolutely delicious, but it still has the street taste. If you're wondering how I achieved that, you would have to watch this video to the end. So without talking much, let's get cooking. In my hands, I have 2 cups of well cleaned or well washed black-eyed peas or beans. I'm going to transfer that into my cooking pot and then go in with 7 to 10 cups of water, depending on how soft you want your waakye to be. I'm adding a teaspoon of baking soda as well. Next, for that distinct color, I'll be adding some sorghum leaves to that. So over here, I took out a strand from the leaves and then I'm tying it into one bundle so that I can easily take out the sorghum leaves once I've achieved my desired pigment. I'll cover and leave the beans to cook for roughly 30 minutes on medium heat. So it's officially time to check on our beans to know whether it is cooked or not. Once the beans is nice and tender, then you know it's cooked. Also, I don't want my waakye looking too red or too dark, so I took out the sorghum leaves at this stage. If you want a darker or stronger color, you can leave the sorghum leaves in it for a longer period. I will add my washed rice to that as well. I went in with half of 1 kg rice. I'll mix that till everything is uniform. I'll add a teaspoon of salt to taste and then go in with my secret ingredient, which is coconut milk. Trust me, you do not want to miss this step. This is the key to achieving a very delicious waakye. Also, this is why no matter how hard you try to achieve Haji's waakye, you cannot achieve the taste. It is because of this coconut milk. However, if you don't have coconut milk, you can substitute with coconut oil. Next, I'm going to be killing 2 birds with 1 stone, which is boiling my eggs for my waakye stew in the waakye. So once that is done, I'm going to cover with my waakye leaves, locally called ahabine. I'm just going to place that on top of the rice and then cover with my saucepan cover just to trap as much heat as I can. And this is going to give your waakye a very nice and lovely aroma. You will love it. I'll be cooking that for 30 minutes on low heat. 30 minutes is up and now it's time to check on my waakye. See, the moment I took the lid off, God, the aroma was so good. So this is what my waakye looks like now after 30 minutes. So here I'm just going to take out the eggs, put them in cold water and then peel it and transfer it into my delicious waakye stew. I have a video of that on my YouTube channel, so kindly check it out. This waakye stew is everything. So now I'm back to my waakye. I'm going to fluff that up real quick. And as simple as that, my waakye is ready. See, this waakye is melt in your mouth waakye. It's so soothing, flavorful, and has the street flavor. I don't know how to explain it, but till you try this recipe, you'll not quite understand what I'm trying to say. So I'll just quickly cover that up and cook that for an additional 10 minutes so that it can dry up nicely. And as simple as that, our waakye is ready. So now we move on to plating. So into my ahabine, I'm going in with some of that good delicious waakye. So I love my waakye very soft, but if you want your waakye to come out in single grains, you could probably just stick to just 7 cups of water. I think that would do it for you. Next, I'm going in with some macaroni or spaghetti, and then my gari, a mixture of the waakye stew and gari, some salad on that, a mixture of sliced onions, sliced lettuce, cabbage, and tomatoes. And then I'm going in with my coated fried fish as well, and my waakye stew. Again, very flavorful waakye stew. Definitely should check my video out. And yeah, as simple as that, our food is ready. I top that off with some shito as well. I have a video on how to make Ghanaian Shito on my YouTube channel as well, so kindly check it out. So that's just about it. So we've come to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, you found this video useful, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes from me. So yeah, this is just me demonstrating how most of the street vendors package their waakye. Anyways, thanks for watching and bye. See you in my next video.